Okay guys, so we're back discussing knee pain, and essentially when we compensate through those poor movement patterns we've just gone over, essentially the tissue just starts to break down through poor range of motion, inflexibility, just general kind of instability and weakness. We create a lot of compensation in the soft tissue, particularly in and around the knee joint, and what happens is that tissue breaks down, it gets full with something called adhesions. Imagine it's scar tissue within a muscle. It's not going to allow the knee to move properly, it's going to create a lot of instability. So this is a really basic exercise you can start doing immediately at home, at work, in the gym, to start breaking down that scar tissue and start improving that tissue health. It's going to improve some blood flow, some lymph flow, and it's going to start us on the way to essentially getting rid of this knee pain. So simply all you're going to do, you're going to grab one of these muscle sticks, extremely cheap, get them at Dick's on Amazon, and then all essentially you're going to do, you're going to use it like a rolling pin. So you're just going to contact all the leg here, and we want to focus on this IT band, which essentially starts up in your hip and anchors the outside of your knee. And you just want to find all those sore spots and just spend some time rolling it. You want to go over the quad, which is the top of the thigh. You want to come all the way underneath in our hamstring. And then you want to make sure you get on the inside of our leg and the adductor. Adductor is a culprit for a lot of knee pain. So I do this for at least 3 to 5 minutes, and I start doing it every single day. And then we're going to show you some great stretches to do following this in the next video. So you suffer from knee pain, get going with this at home or at work, and we'll see you on the next video.